Insanely ways to make money with AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a buzzword. It's a transformative force reshaping industries, revolutionizing processes, and creating unprecedented opportunities for income generation. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a tech enthusiast, or simply looking for new ways to capitalize on the AI revolution. Algorithmic trading and stock prediction. Unlocking financial markets with AI. In the dynamic world of finance, where every millisecond can make or break a deal, the integration of AI and machine learning has fundamentally altered the landscape. Algorithmic trading, also known as algo trading, relies on the power of AI to analyze vast datasets, monitor market conditions, and execute trades at an extraordinary pace, often beyond human capabilities. The essence of algorithmic trading lies in its ability to make real-time decisions based on complex algorithms and historical market data. These algorithms identify patterns, trends, and arbitrage opportunities that might elude human traders. Such AI-driven systems can execute thousands of trades within a fraction of a second, taking advantage of microsecond price fluctuations. AI-generated content creation, redefining the written word with artificial intelligence. The age-old adage that content is king in the digital realm has never been truer, and AI-generated content creation is at the forefront of this revolution. It's no longer science fiction, but a tangible reality that artificial intelligence, notably models like GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, can craft human-like written content across a spectrum of genres, niches, and languages. The emergence of AI-driven content generation tools is a game-changer for writers, content creators, and businesses alike. GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, is one such remarkable model that has captured the world's attention. AI-enhanced healthcare, revolutionizing medical diagnostics and research. In the realm of healthcare, AI is ushering in a new era of diagnosis, treatment, and research. Machine learning algorithms trained on vast medical datasets can analyze patient data, including medical images, genomics, and electronic health records, with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This capability allows for early disease detection, personalized treatment plans, and advancements in medical research. One noteworthy application of AI in healthcare is medical imaging analysis. AI algorithms can analyze X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and other medical images to detect abnormalities or assist in diagnosis. This not only expedites the diagnostic process, but also reduces the burden on healthcare professionals. AI-powered e-commerce recommendations, maximizing sales and customer engagement. In the fiercely competitive world of e-commerce, AI has become a vital tool for enhancing customer experiences and increasing sales. AI algorithms analyze user behavior, purchase history, and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations. Whether on e-commerce websites or in email marketing campaigns, these recommendations improve user engagement and drive revenue. The beauty of AI-driven recommendations lies in their ability to adapt and evolve based on user interactions. They can consider factors like browsing history, demographics, and even real-time data, such as weather conditions, to suggest products that align with a user's interests and needs. AI-enhanced language translation services, bridging global communication gaps. In our interconnected world, breaking down language barriers is a priority for individuals, businesses, and organizations. AI-driven language translation services, such as Google Translate, have become indispensable tools for facilitating cross-cultural communication. These services employ neural machine translation models, which use deep learning techniques to produce more accurate and contextually relevant translations. AI models can translate text and even spoken language in real time, making them valuable for international travelers, businesses expanding into global markets, and multinational organizations. The demand for AI-enhanced translation services extends to content localization, subtitling, and transcription services. AI-generated art and creativity, unleashing the imagination of machines. The intersection of AI and art has given rise to a burgeoning field of AI-generated creativity. AI algorithms, particularly generative adversarial networks, GANs, can produce art, music, and other creative works that challenge our understanding of human creativity. For visual art, GANs can generate stunning original pieces based on existing artworks or entirely unique concepts. These AI-generated artworks have found their place in the art market, with some pieces selling for substantial sums at auctions. In the realm of music, AI algorithms can compose original pieces or assist musicians in generating melodies and harmonies. AI-driven music production tools are empowering artists to experiment with new sounds and compositions. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots, transforming customer service. Virtual assistants and chatbots are becoming ubiquitous in customer service and support. These AI-driven entities can handle inquiries, provide information, and even facilitate transactions, all while offering 24/7 availability. Virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google Assistant have found their way into millions of homes, providing assistance with tasks, answering questions, and controlling smart home devices. Businesses are also deploying chatbots on their websites and social media platforms to engage with customers, answer frequently asked questions, and guide users through the sales process. The use of AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots enhances efficiency, reduces response times, and enables businesses to scale their customer support operations. AI-enhanced cybersecurity, protecting digital assets in an evolving threat landscape. The digital age has ushered in unprecedented levels of connectivity and convenience, but it has also exposed organizations to ever-evolving cyber threats. AI is playing a crucial role in bolstering cybersecurity defenses by detecting and mitigating threats with incredible speed and accuracy. Machine learning algorithms, particularly in the realm of anomaly detection and behavioral analysis, can identify unusual patterns or activities that may indicate a cyber attack. AI can analyze vast data sets in real time, rapidly identifying and responding to potential threats before they escalate. Additionally, AI-driven security solutions can improve access control and authentication, helping organizations safeguard sensitive data. AI-powered autonomous vehicles, navigating the road to transportation transformation. Autonomous vehicles, often referred to as self-driving cars, represent a cutting-edge application of AI in the transportation industry. These vehicles rely on a combination of sensors, cameras, radar, and AI algorithms to navigate roads, make decisions, and ensure passenger safety. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are at the forefront of developing autonomous vehicle technology. AI plays a pivotal role in enabling these vehicles to perceive their surroundings, interpret traffic signals, anticipate pedestrian behavior, and even respond to unexpected situations on the road. The potential benefits of autonomous vehicles are substantial, including improved road safety, reduced traffic congestion, and increased accessibility for individuals who cannot drive due to age or disability. AI in agriculture, optimizing crop management and food production. The agriculture sector is embracing AI to revolutionize crop management, increase yields, and address the challenges of feeding a growing global population. AI-driven solutions are helping farmers make data-driven decisions, optimize resource usage, and mitigate the impact of climate change on agricultural practices. One of the key applications of AI in agriculture is precision farming. AI-powered sensors, drones, and satellite imagery collect data on soil conditions, crop health, and weather patterns. Machine learning algorithms analyze this data to provide farmers with insights on when to plant, irrigate, fertilize, and harvest crops. Furthermore, AI is being used in pest and disease detection, enabling early identification and intervention to prevent crop loss. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.